Causal comparative research allows researchers to investigate the possibility of a causal relationship among variables that cannot, as in experimental research, be manipulated. In a causal comparative study, two or more groups that are different on a particular variable are compared on another variable. Causal comparative research attempts to determine the causes of differences that already exist between or among groups of participants. The basic causal comparative approach is to begin with a noted difference between two groups, and then to look for possible causes for or consequences of this difference. The group differences variable cannot be manipulated. An example could be a researcher who is interested in the gender differences of children's behavioral and emotional problems. So, what are the similarities between causal comparative and correlational research? Both of them are associational research, so they explore relationships among variables. There is no manipulation of variables, so both cannot make causal statements. For instance, we cannot state that gender difference leads to the difference in children's behavioral problems. Causal comparative studies include at least one categorical variable, normally the grouping variable. This is not necessarily true for correlational research. All the variables can be quantitative in correlational research. This may cause some differences in data analysis too. What are the similarities between causal comparative and experimental research? Typically, researchers need at least one categorical variable in both methods. Both are interested in the group differences on outcome variables. In experimental research, the group membership is manipulated, so we can build causal effect. However, in causal comparative research, the group differences already exist. Please review the steps involved in the causal comparative research. The first step is the problem formulation, where you identify and define the phenomena of interest and think about possible causes. Next, you select the sample of individuals to be studied by carefully identifying the characteristics of selected groups. In terms of instrumentation, there are no limits on the types of instruments used in causal comparative studies. Your basic design involves selecting two or more groups that differ on a particular variable of interest, then comparing them on another variable, all variables, without manipulation. The process is similar to correlational designs.